Update. I'm Daniel Whittington. It's class update time. So today we're going to talk about July and one new class in August. So July 11th and 12th is how to build an audience with video. That class is Brian Brushwood, Rex Williams, and possibly me. It depends on whether we have room for it because what they teach is so good. Now, the questions I've got about this class, and we still have a few spots on campus left, are: say I don't want to be a professional videographer or be a famous TV person. Is this still applicable? The answer is absolutely. We are teaching you the principles of tribe building. We just happen to be using it talking about video. Also, the question is, I've seen Brushwood show and I've seen the Whiskey Vault. I don't want to do either of those styles of show. Is this still applicable? The answer is yes, absolutely it is. So that's July 11th and 12th, still a few spots. Next, once a year, we do the kids class, Young Writers Workshop with Peter Nevland and Gary Bernier. That's going to be July 18th and 19th. That's a Wednesday, Thursday. We still have a few spots left in that one as well. Now, August, we have a totally new class. It's called Bonding versus Branding, or Branding versus Bonding. This is a class with me and Jeff Sexton. And what we're going to do is give you a full overview of the theory, practical application, and the tips behind using branding as a bonding strategy instead of just pure generic branding. This is going to be the first time we've done it, and already we're trying to figure out how to fit it all into 2 days, but it's going to be an amazing 2 days. So that, again, is August 29th and 30th, and we are just now getting that up on the website, so it's wide open right now. Looking forward to seeing you soon in one of the classes. Until then, may your crazy stay this side of legal, and may you return before we have time to miss you. Cheers.